Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Current Affairs. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale product which is known as digital dollar. So here we are on the website. You can check out the ecosystem with the development teams and contributions. There are milestones the digital dollar creator is looking forward to achieve. So here you can check out they have Web3 technology, which means the development team intends to collaborate with other companies to integrate Web3 technology with the platforms. Also, ease token integration, the digital dollar will be integrated with the platforms and used as a form of payment. The digital dollar network ecosystem will be global. The global system will be using blockchain technologies where payments transactions will be secured through cryptography. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So they are solving basically a problem. So the issue is that cryptocurrency is reaching mass adoption, paying for products and services with cryptocurrencies for digital assets will become mainstream. Fiat currency is currently the most accepted form of payment. So however, the rise of cryptocurrencies or digital assets will eventually be adopted as either an additional payment method or primary payment method. So they are providing the solution by creating a digital dollar coin for the payments, which is secure and really good. Down here you can check out crypto beats. Crypto beats is a music streaming app that offers unlimited access to songs, albums, audio book and podcasts from artists around the world. With a strong focus on cryptocurrency uses as their market, you can check out they have plans to integrate the digital dollar with them. You can check out the crypto beats as well. So now let's check out the tokens. So you can check out the pre-sale has started on 1st of December 2024 and it will end on 1st of December 2025. So currently pre-sale have almost 3 months. Accepted currencies are USD, CAD, EUR, JPY and many more. Also Bitcoin and Ether are accepted. Number of tokens for sale are $500 million token exchange rate is 1 E dollar is equal to 0.1 cents. The minimum transaction is 10 USDT. So you can buy it right now. Also you can check out the tokenomics of the product. So 25% of the supply is for ecosystem and development operations, 14% is for public sale, 25% is for operational reserves, 24% is for founder and development team, and 4% is used for the product marketing, as marketing is really important for any of the products. So they have reserved 4% of the supply. That's really good. Now let's check out the roadmap of the product. The product has started in 2021, which was creation phase. In 2024 they have started the round 1 of the pre-sale, and currently we are into the round 2 and round 3. You can check out digital dollar market. They are doing a lot of marketing, community building, blog marketing, crypto and fintech news portals, email marketing, influencer marketing and much more. So you can check out their roadmap as well. So now I want to tell how you can buy. So basically we had to click on register. So let's click here and let's wait, and here you can see we had to fill this form. So let's fill it. So here you had to come and then fill all of the details and then make the account. So after creating the account, you just had to connect your wallet and then enter the details. For example, you want to buy with the card your currencies or Bitcoin or Ethereum, and after that you can buy the coin as well. So now let's coming back to the website and you can check out some other details as well. If you scroll up, you can check out the details such as they are integrating with the crypto reality as well as other streaming platforms as well. So the product has solid use case, so make sure you participate into the pre-sale and become part of this amazing product that are listed. Is currently the price of 1 E dollar is equal to 0.1 cent. So make sure you participate into the price sale after doing some on research. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.